হ্যালো স্টুডেন্ট, আজ পড়ব প্রিভিয়াস ইয়ারের এমসিকিউ কোশ্চেন পেপার। ফার্স্ট কোশ্চেন, হুইচ অ্যামং দ্য ফলোয়িং ইজ দ্য ন্যাশনাল ম্যাটারনিটি বেনিফিট স্কিম আন্ডার দ্য আমব্রেলা অফ ন্যাশনাল রুরাল হেলথ মিশন? অপশান সি হবে জননী সুরক্ষা যোজনা। নেক্সট, হু অ্যামং দ্য ফলোয়িং হ্যাজ ডেভেলপড দ্য কনসেপ্ট অফ হিয়ারচি অফ নিডস? অপশান এ হবে আব্রাম মাসাল। নেক্সট, হুইচ অ্যামং দ্য ফলোয়িং অপশান বেনিফিটস অ্যান অর্গানাইজেশন পারপাস অ্যান্ড প্রাইমারি অবজেক্ট? অপশান এ হবে মিশন স্টেটমেন্ট। নেক্সট, হুইচ অ্যামং দ্য following is designed to analyze and represent the tasks involved in completing a project or a program? অপশান সি হবে প্রোগ্রাম ইভ্যালুয়েশন অ্যান্ড রিভিউ টেকনিক। নেক্সট, ব্ল্যাঙ্ক রেফার টু দ্য নাম্বার অফ সাবঅর্ডিনেট এ ম্যানেজার ক্যান এফেক্টিভলি ম্যানেজ? অপশান সি হবে স্পাম অফ কন্ট্রোল। নেক্সট, in which among the following organization process does the manager divided a part of work among the subordinated? Option A হবে delegation of authority. Next, blank is the process of inspiring the personnel with zeal to accomplish object of the organization? Option D হবে motivation. Next, the process by which new employees are introduced to the organization is known as? Option B introduction training. Next, among the following which one refer to willingness to talk, discuss and to make a compromise in an effort to get proposed chance accept? অপশান এ হবে কালেকটিভ বার্গেনিং। নেক্সট, হুইচ অফ দ্য ফলোয়িং স্টেজ অফ কনফ্লিক্ট শো অ্যাগ্রিগেশন অ্যাপিথি অ্যান্ড রিগ্রেট রুলস অ্যাডারনেস লিডিং টু অর্গানাইজেশন ইনএফেক্টিভনেস? অপশান সি হবে ম্যানিফেস্ট কনফ্লিক্ট। নেক্সট, which of the following as characteristic features of the groups demonstrated by mutual understanding and support, improvement of self-esteem and successfully completion of goal of the group? Option A হবে group cohesiveness. Next, which one of the following is correct in nursing care delivery where nurses assume total responsibility for meeting all the needs of assigned patient during their time on duty? Option A হবে case method. Next, under which type of budget are the wages and salaries paid to regular institution employees include? Option C হবে manpower budget. Next, a process of establishing desirable standard of nursing care and then providing care to meet those standards is called as quality assurance? Option C. Next, blank is an agreement by client to accept a course of treatment or procedure after being approved complete information? Option B informed consent. Next, which among the following is the act of obtaining goods or service typically for business purpose? Option C procurement. Next, which of the following leadership style is characterized by individual control over all discussion and little input from group members? Option A autocratic leadership. Next, which among the following is termed the misunderstanding and misinterpretation of meaning that restricted effective communication? Option D semantic barriers. Next, in which among the following Does an employee maintain discipline willing by following the rules and regulation of the organization? Option C, positive discipline. Next, among the following, which supervision of nursing student is done by qualified nurse to enable development of professional skill? Option B, clinical supervision. Next, which among the following term means action or practice? Option C. Next, which curriculum consists of subject matter and learning activities planned day by day and week by week by a particular teacher for a particular groups of students? Option C, institutional curriculum. Next, which one of the following is a plan of action that include working philosophy of the teacher, information and understanding of pupil, and ability to use effective method of education? Option B, lesson plan. Next, a blackboard or chalkboard falls under which among the following type of aids? Option C, non-projected aid. Option C. Next, among the following, which tool is used to assess the quality and standard of clinical performance of student? Option B, clinical evaluation. Next, which among the following is a face-to-face question answer activity between the examiner and the examined? Option B, oral examination. Next, which of the following is a scaled down teaching encounter where a teacher teaches a small unit to a group of students for a small period of time? Option A, micro teaching. Next, in which approach of counseling the counselor each activity and directs the individual is making decision and finding solution to the problem? Option A, directive counseling. Next, blank is a process in which a clinical teacher and a group of students visit a patient at the bedside for observation and learning. Option A, bedside clinic. Next, which guidance provide assistance to students to perform satisfactory in their academic work and choose appropriate course of study? Option A, educational guidance. Next, which one of the following writing test require the examiner to select the correct answer from several alternative? Option D, objective type test. Next, which one of the following domains is based on learning physical skill? Option C, psychomotor domain. Next, proceeding from known to unknown is a part of which among the following? Option B. Next, blank is a communication method that can be used to increase self-awareness. Option B, Johari window. Next, blank is a prepared list of statements relating to behavioral traits, activity, skill and personal characteristics. Option B, checklist. Next, what is known as the sum total of student activities which the school sponsor for the purpose of achieving its objective? Option B, curriculum. Next, a problem solving activity whereby the student undertakes the comprehensive assessment of a particular patient is called? Option B, nursing case study. Next, which one among the following is a display board that show the visual learning material on a specific subject? Option B, bulletin board. Next, blank is a simple statement of an incident's demand by the observed to be significant with respect to a given people. Option A. Next, blank is a search of comprehensive view of nature and attempt at the universal explanation of nature of things. Option D, philosophy. Next, Which among the following is manifested at severe dyspnea, orthopnea, failure, tachycardia, and frontal blood tinate? Sputum. C. Pulmonary edema. Next. Which among the following disorder is caused by the lack of insulin? Option B. Diabetes mellitus. Next. Which one of the following is a multisystem disorder characterized by development of hypertension 140/90 with proteinuria after the 20 weeks of pregnancy? Option A. Preeclampsia. Next. Abnormal pregnancy in which the fertilized ovum is implanted outside the uterine cavity is termed ectopic pregnancy. Option C. Next. Blank is the herniation of abdominal bursa through the abdominal wall at the point of junction of umbilical cord and the abdomen. Option C. Next. Among the following which one is a chromosomal abnormalities with extra chromosome 21? Option A. Down syndrome. Next. In which psychological disorder there is an intense fear of become obese? Option B. Anorexia nervosa. Next. Blank is a mental disorder characterized by absent social smile, lack of eye contact, abnormal social play, and inability to communicate in children. Option A. Autism. Next. Which of the following disease is treated by directly observed treatment short course dots in the community? Option D. Tuberculosis. Next. Which among the following indicates the measure birth rate, death rate, natural growth rate, life expectancy at birth, mortality and fertility rate? Option D. Vital statistic. Next. Which one of the following heart disease is a psychomatic heart disease? Option C. Tetralogy of Fallot. Next. CPR and defibrillation should be initiated in which of the arrhythmias? Option D. Ventricular fibrillation. Next. Which among the following is a cancer of the immune system? Option C. Lymphoma. Option C. Next. Paralysis of one side of body is called? Option C. Next. Which among the following is an inflammation of the urinary bladder? Option A. Next. Blank is an attempt to restore the fractured bone in the normal anatomic position. Option D. Reduction. Next. Blank is a break in the continuity of gastrointestinal mucus. Option C. Peptic ulcer. Next. Management of which state of labor cause inversion of uterus? Option D. Third হবে. Next. Congenital deformity in which the foot has a club-like appearance is called? Option D. Next. Auditory hallucination are the disorder of which among the following option? Option D. Perception. Next. Invariable in the research which is purposely manipulated by the research is called? Option C. Independent variable. Next. The psychological response in which the subject in the research study change their behavior simply because of their awareness of being participate in the study is known as? Option A. Next. Among the following which ethical principle directs the researcher to adhere by the participants' right to fair treatment and maintenance of privacy? Option A. Justice. Next. Which among the following is not a request of good averaging in central tendency? Option A হবে difficult to understand. Next. The following are the characteristics of true experimental research design. এখানে কোন বৈশিষ্ট্যটা ট্রু এক্সপেরিমেন্টাল রিসার্চ ডিজাইনের নয় এক্সপেক্টেড? অপশান এ। নেক্সট আর বাকি তিনটা হবে ওই ট্রু এক্সপেরিমেন্টাল রিসার্চের বৈশিষ্ট্য। নেক্সট, in which type of research design is a phenomenon existing in the present linked to phenomenon that occurred in the past? Option D. Next, a study on the life experience of COVID-19 patient admit to intensive care units is an example of phenomenological research. Option C. Next, a child affirmative agreement to participate in a research study is known as assent. Option B. Next, which among the following principle is accepted as being true based on logic or custom without proof? Option A. As assumption. Next, which among the following is a non-probability sample techniques? Option B. Quad sampling. Next, an instrument designed to determination the opinion on or attitude towards a particular subject and contains a number of declarative statement is known as Likert scale. Likert scale. Option B হবে। Next, the extent to which an instrument consistently measures a concept is known as option D. Reliability. Next, blank is an error created by rejecting the null hypothesis when it is true. Option C. Type 1 error. Next, which one among the following is the lowest level of measurement used when data is organized into categories that are exclusive and executives? Option B. Nominal. Next, a statistical procedure for predicting the value of a independent variable based on one or more independent variable is called option D. Rejection analysis. Next, the following are the measure of central tendency. এখানে কোনটা measure central tendency নয়? অপশন ডি হবে, আর বাকি তিনটা সেন্ট্রাল টেন্ডেন্সি। নেক্সট, the following are the characterized of a normal probability curve. নর্মাল প্রবাবিলিটি কার্ভের কোনটা এখানে বৈশিষ্ট্য নয়? অপশান ডিটা, আর বাকি তিনটা নর্মাল প্রবাবিলিটি কার্ভের বৈশিষ্ট্য। নেক্সট, হুইচ অ্যামং দ্য ফলোয়িং ইজ এ নন প্যারামেট্রিক স্টেট? অপশান অপশান বি। নেক্সট, the positive square root of mean of the square division of the value from a arithmetic mean is known as option C. standard deviation হবে এটা। নেক্সট, in case of raw data which one among the following will be the middle value after arranging the sample value is ascending or descending order? Option B হবে median। নেক্সট, among the following which one is known as the intentional touch to another body without their consent? Option A হবে। নেক্সট, which among the following is a function of Indian Nursing Council? Option D। ওপরে তিনটা অপশানই হবে। নেক্সট, according to the Patient Safety Act 1997 which information should be made available to the public by each healthcare institution? Option D হবে, ওপরে তিনটা অপশানই হবে। নেক্সট, following are the component of concurrent list given by Union Ministry of Health. এখানে যে অপশানগুলো আছে সেটা ইউনিয়ন মিনিস্ট্রি অফ হেলথ দেয়নি। কোন অপশানটা? অপশান এ হবে। নেক্সট, হুইচ ওয়ান অ্যামং দ্য ফলোয়িং ইজ নোন অ্যাজ এ প্যাটার্ন অফ নার্সিং কেয়ার ইন হুইচ অ্যান আইডেন্টিফাইড নার্স ডেলিভার্স কনসেন্ট অ্যান্ড কম্প্রিহেন্সিভ কেয়ার টু দ্য ক্লায়েন্ট থ্রু আউট দেয়ার হসপিটাল স্টে? অপশান সি হবে, প্রাইমারি নার্সিং। নেক্সট, in which year did the government of India launch the national mental health program? Option B হবে 1982। next, in which among the following phase of mitosis do the chromosome reach the pole of their respective spindle? Option D হবে। Next, A genetic disorder with trisomy 13 is called as option D হবে পাস্তুয়া syndrome. Next, a measurement of morbidity in which the number of new cases occurring in a defined population during a specified period of time is known as option A incidence. Next, number of death for all cause per 1000 estimated mid-year population in 1 year in a given place is known as option D হবে curved death rate. Option B. Next, the body temperature fluctuated but does not return to normal in which of the following pattern of fever? Option C, ruminant fever. Next, who among the following proposed the nursing theory with focused on the conversation principle? Option D. Next, who among the following proposed the goal attention theory? Option B. Next, which of the following is an example of Wheeling nursing diagnosis? Option C হবে. Next, when 2 years old Joe is hospitalized by tonsil, he will drink only from a bottle. Even through his mother's death, he has been drinking for a cup for 6 months. What is the defense mechanism shown by the child? Option C, rejection. Next, the cognitive developmental stage pertaining to a preschooler above the age of 2 years is option C হবে pre-proteinial stage. Next, sexual gratification from actual or fantasized inanimate object is known as option B fetishism. Next, just let me live to see my children gratitude. What stage of grief process is this individual going through? Option B, bargaining. Next, in which among the following disaster a victim can be strategy with red color code? Option D, severe abdominal injury. Next, a joystick is an example of input device. আশা করি আজকের ভিডিওতে তোমরা টোটাল 100টা এমসিকিউ বুঝতে পেরেছো। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ।